Okay, this is another video. Now this is one of my best-selling rifles. Now this is for kids. Okay, these are really nice rifles. They're by Paris Manufacturing. This is the 1866 lever action Golden Ranger. Okay, and I've been selling these like crazy. This is beautiful. Nice gold finishing on it, made out of wood. You got your metal barrels with wooden stocks and everything. And this is a really beautiful gun. Okay, and unfortunately I can't sell caps. See, this lifts up like this. This is really cool. You push this like this, they can load up the caps. I'm not allowed to sell caps because I can't ship them. That's my big problem. But it's a lever action. It's really cool. On eBay, great price. Check it out. I just wanted to show you the product before you buy it. It's great for ages, oh boys, 6 to, God, however long you want to play with guns. But it's a really great product. The 1860 Golden Ranger. Item number, I think the item number, what is the item number? 70 or 2703. 2703. Beautiful. Nice gold finishing.